So it's my review of a 12 amp 16-inch bar corded electric chainsaw by Craftsman. I didn't really have a need for a chainsaw, but I do have a dead tree in the backyard that I want to trim and eventually cut down, but I just couldn't justify buying an expensive chainsaw, and I don't want to have to deal with a two-stroke engine and storing the gas and maintenance on it. So I bought this because it's not that expensive, and if it isn't what I need to cut it down, then I have something for small trimming around the house. So here goes. So here it is, not much to it. There's the bar, protective cover, and a chain. The actual chainsaw, owner's manual, and the cord. Okay, there's the dead willow that I'm going to trim most of the branches off and then figure out what I'm going to do with the trunk. And that's what I'm going to do it with. So let's see how it goes. Well, so far so good. It's leaning, trimming away this stuff. This one right here, it leans towards the house. I'll have to work on, but that little 16-inch 12 amp corded Craftsman, you know, you just kind of let it do the work and be smart about your cuts, and it's worth every bit of 80 bucks. Well, only took about an hour to get all the medium stuff off. All that's left is this Widowmaker, and then the trunk, which I don't care too much about. We will work on that, but it's this right here that'll come towards the house. But I can't say enough about that little Craftsman. It's doing some good work. Okay, so that's all that's left of the tree. That can be worked, but I was concerned about the stuff up top hitting the house. So, you know, I had to anchor what I was cutting up there to adjacent trees to control the fall. I just did some basic undercuts and overcuts and directed the branches where I wanted to fall. No time at all. One thing I'll say about this Craftsman is that when you let go of the trigger, the chain takes a while to spin down. There's no brake. And one time, my saw got pinched on that big part up there, and I had to drop it with the fall. But I picked it up and kept going after that. Yeah, I'm happy.